Friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about a platform or a website which will help you earn money from your home. This you can do by just reading emails. Welcome to my channel. This is my website and I have given the link in the description. There are so many articles which I have written about earning from home, and today we are going to read about earn reading emails. If you come down this article, there is click here. If you click here, it will take you to the website. This is a website we are going to see today. Earn money by reading emails. We are just going to earn money by reading email wherever you are. You can be in any part of the world, but you can earn money with the help of this platform. Here they have written, with we pay you for every email you read and instantly. Minimum payout is only $0.2, that is 20 cents. In addition to that, we pay you commission from your referral earnings. See, if you refer your friends to this website through your referring link and they join, you will get referral income. There are so many members online and they have paid up to $600. Let's see how it works. We pay you to read emails is that simple. On your desktop, tablet or mobile, simply open email and click the ad. Stay for the predetermined amount of time and get paid. This predetermined time is just 30 seconds to 1 minute. You have to open their email and stay in that website for 30 seconds to 1 minute and that's it. The money will get added to your account. Right now, we pay $1 for every referral when they earn $1. There is also the referral amount you can earn. Let's first register. Here, registration is very easy. Just you have to fill the form below. You have to give a username, email, password, and confirm password. If you have a referrer, you can add their name. And you have to click all this and click register. There are important few instructions. To make sure you receive all our email and don't miss paid emails, add support@cg-email.io to your contact list. This is very important, otherwise the emails will go to your spam account. See, I have received the email. Now just press this link. Operation successful. You will be redirected in few seconds. See, now you have registered. Just give your email and password and log in. This will be your opening dashboard. Here is the referral link. If you want to send to your friends, you can send it to your friends and relatives. And for that also, you will earn some commission. Here there is money. Here there is the withdraw option. Let's see how to withdraw. Here you can withdraw with the help of the Pioneer and Faucet Pay address if you have it. You have to just wait and the emails will start getting into your Gmail account. For every email, you will get some points and this amount will be increasing. Once you get the amount, you can withdraw the money easily.